Are you checking out chicks with those glasses?
Actually, we're in the throes of mating season. Hatching seeds is not until late spring. There are no chicks yet.
No chicks? How can we party without the chicks?
Party? I'm here to observe the mating rituals of the red-breasted mudsucker.
Breasts and sucking? I like the way you party.
Lower your voice. You're going to disturb that flock of nesting seagulls over there.
Flock of seagulls? Great band from the 80s with the hair and everything. I ran so far away. Gotta get away.
Why don't you start running away right now?
Why would I want to run from this fantastic party?
What this is an aviary for many species of birds.
I get it. It's like a rave for birds with their beaks and the glow sticks. Oh, man. I love the birds. Listen to their tunes. Magnificent, the melodies. What a high.
Well, now that you said hi, why don't you say bye?
Why would I want to leave this party-licious spot?
Because I hear a rattlesnake approaching.
Rattlesnake? You mean like with the cha-cha-cha? Like the maracas? Hey, Mr. Rattlesnake, come party with me! Cha-cha-cha. Maraca, come on, party with me, Snake.
Yeah, cha-cha-cha. Ooh, that one party's good.